Hey, welcome back. This is the Dang Yankee Disheveled edition. So I don't care what I look like, I don't care what I'm wearing, but we're gonna have fun today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build the WEN Mobile Base that I just ordered to go on my WEN bandsaw. I've never put this thing together, and I've got some pictures that'll go in here so you can see what it looks like from the box and all that stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and put it together here. Okay, so here's what this kit looks like unassembled here. I've got some pictures of what it looks like in the box. The dimensions we're going to use for this is 25 inches by 21 inches. And we are needing, it says just 3 tools for this, or 4 if you want to count a tape measure, but we need a 10 millimeter, a 13 millimeter, and a 17 millimeter wrench. So I went ahead and I already grabbed my wrenches and I grabbed a ratchet with sockets here of the same size so we can speed it along with whatever we need. So with that, let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. All right, so we got it all put together here. So as you can see, the mobile base has got the bandsaw sitting on it now. And now I just need to, I want to put a strap around this because this table, even though it came with the bandsaw, I think it's a cheap table and it's just, it doesn't set right. So I'm going to strap it to the mobile cart. That way it's always going to be level when I put it down. So thank you for watching us on the Dang Yankee Workshop Disheveled Edition. And we will see you later.